with me for my snack. So my mom said I could use like this. It's glass, and this. It's giving Glinda. Eight. So my friend always brings snacks for me, so I wanted to bring a snack for her. Let's get some strawberries. Boing. Beautiful strawberry. Now let's get some grape. This looks juicy. Oh my goodness. Very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. So we put some apples and we put some grapes and some strawberries. Now we're gonna go with this pink cab, ASMR. Oh, do you know the Tyler's dance? Like, you go like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Story time. Y'all, I put some stickers on my Stanley. So this is like a train, and yeah. And let's get this. Boop. Golden coins, actually chocolate. So this girl in my class, she stole my lip balm and trashed it. Y'all, I got really mad. It was my favorite lip balm. I never stole anything from her, and then she just stole something. Let's get some oatmeal. I did nothing to her, and then she just did that. She called me a spoiled brat, and she says she thinks she's so cool. That pisses me off. Boom. Let's put a slip back on my hair. 3, 2, 1. So I practically have fake friends. I only have one friend, but that's good enough. That's it, bye. I'm gonna put APT dance.